Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We have here Deadpool. We have here Weapon X. So let's look at Deadpool Weapon X. Let's go. Okay, so we have here two, as you can see, open boosters of Deadpool and Weapon X set. This is part of the brick break of Lucky Dice Cafe by Howard. So I was able to join in that particular brick break. I think this one was dated sometime in June, okay, before the release of this particular set. And you can see here, I was able to successfully bid on booster number 2 and booster number 15 of that brick break. Okay, so finally, it arrived here in the Philippines after, I think, a month. And now, we can open it. So you can see on the first booster, we have Black Widow, we have Daken, we have Copycat, we have a Deadpool robot, and a rare Rogue. Okay, so I actually have some of these figures, but I don't have the Rogue. Okay, what I have was the Rogue Prime. So I guess we'll take a look at the Rogue figure. So you can see here, Rogue is set number 37A, Avengers, Brotherhood of Mutants, X-Men keywords, and a trait, ready for your beating, Suga. Knockback. Characters knockback by Rogue can't reduce damage this turn. Okay, so and that's, I guess that takes effect immediately when she knocks back that particular character. Okay, so when damage actually comes first before knockback, so she has 5 damage for close because of close combat expert. So the opponent takes 5 damage that they can reduce, but the knockback damage cannot be reduced anymore because this trait will now take effect. And of course, if you will follow up with that character, it means he cannot reduce damage. So this is Anna Marie, the maiden name of Rogue, and the first appearance is Uncanny X-Men number 208. So for 75 points, I think she is good, okay, especially if you fool her in sealed with that hypersonic flight, impervious roll. Okay, I was just hoping that the super strength is on the top dial, but anyway, this is Rogue. Okay, so the second booster that I pulled contained Rictor, Jeff the Landshark, what's this one? White Fox, a Sabertooth rare, and a Wolverine common. So I don't have Sabertooth and White Fox yet, but the other 3 I already have. So let's take a look at the rare in this booster, which is Sabertooth. And you can see he is broken, but that's fine. It's a clean cut, so simple fix would do. There you go, it's already fixed. So anyway, the Sabertooth is set number 36, Brotherhood of Mutants, Exiles, Marauders, Weapon X, Animal Brute keywords, a couple of traits. I have a healing factor 2 at the beginning of your turn, heal Sabertooth 1 click, that's good. And a second trait, stay down, free. Make an attack, but only to target an opposing character that has healed since your last turn. So that's very much anti-Wolverine, for example. And then, of course, a special movement power, track you down, charge flurry, lip climb on the first 6 clicks of his dial. 75 points for 9 clicks is really good for sealed. He has blades, toughness, and battle fury. Hold throughout with regeneration on the last 3 clicks. Victor Creed is the real name, and Exiles number 82 the appearance. So this looks like a very classic costume of Sabertooth, and I like the detail of the battle scars at the back, okay, because this has been brawling with Wolverine, I imagine. So we can probably recreate that. So come at me, Bob, with pleasure, Logan. Whoosh. Okay, so those are my pulls, not too, I would say, not too good because I only pulled two rares, but nonetheless, I'm happy that those are the rares that I don't have yet for the set. So hopefully we'll do better next time. And until then, bye bye.